We'll be going over the negative Form 8978 adjustment worksheet for Schedule 3, line 6L. So you'll complete this worksheet if the amount on line 14 of your Form 8978 is negative. This reflects the total increase or decrease to your reporting year tax. You'll need to complete the Schedule 3 worksheet in the event of a decrease or a negative number in that line 14 amount. So this is a fairly straightforward calculation. There are only two numbers here and then you basically compare them. However, the background is a little bit more detailed. So let's go ahead and start with line 1. You'll enter the amount from your Form 1040 or your 1040 SR, line 18. This is the tax calculation from line 16 of your Form 1040 plus line 3 from IRS Schedule 2. And if you go to Schedule 2 and go to line 3, it's actually the combination of both your alternative minimum tax, which you calculate on Form 6251, and the excess advance premium tax credit repayment that's calculated on IRS Form 8962. So those two tax items plus your overall tax liability from line 16 is the number that you end up here. So as a placeholder, we put in $5,000. The number itself doesn't matter as much as making sure that you've got the correct calculations that are used to formulate that number. So on line 2, you're going to enter the negative amount from line 14 of your 8978. You're going to put this in here as a positive number. So basically enter that as a positive number. In here, we've got $2,000. And now in step 3, we're going to compare them. So if all you have to do is answer yes or no. Is the amount on line 1 equal to or more than the amount on line 2? So in this case, yes, it is. You would then take the line 2 amount and enter that on line 6L as a tax credit on Schedule 3. So if these were reversed, let's just imagine that this is the $2,000 figure and this is the $5,000 figure. You would now need to enter the amount from line 1 on line 6L, which is still the lesser of those two, $2,000. However, you would also subtract line 2 from line 1, and then you would use that to complete the negative Form 8978 adjustment worksheet in the Schedule 2 line 17Z instructions. So basically, Schedule 3 helps you calculate additional credits. So the amount in here that gets put onto line 6L from your Schedule 3 is a tax credit. However, the amount that you would calculate in Schedule 2, if that's a positive number, would be reflected as an additional tax. And we'll cover that worksheet in a separate video. And once we do, we'll link to this. We'll link each of those worksheet videos to each other. We'll also link to all of the forms and schedules that we mentioned in this video in our show notes. So that's all we have for this video. If you want to learn more about the form itself, Form 8978, we've written a complete article about that. We'll put a link to that in the show notes. And if you like our articles, please subscribe to our newsletter. If you like our YouTube videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any other questions or comments, or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover in an upcoming video, please hit me up in the show notes or the comment section. Thank you very much and have a great day.